class today will study about hyperlink. Hyperlink in HTML. So a hyperlink is an underlined word or phrase, or sometimes even a graphic image or icon which has been linked to another location. So hyperlink are basically used to navigate from one screen to another. And by placing the arrow on the hyperlink and clicking on it, we can move quickly from one location to another location. So it can be of two type. One is internal linking and another external linking. So in internal linking, what happened when we jump one location to another location within the same document or same page, so that is called internal linking. But when we jump to another document or another website or web page or somewhere else on world wide web, so that is called external linking. Anchor tag, we use anchor tag to insert to create a hyperlink in our web page, and for that we use a tag. So just look at this example a, href equal to url is the address, a specified address, unique address we have, and then link text. So whatever you want to insert as a text, just write there and then close anchor tag. So the href hypertext reference attribute is used to specify the url, that is the web address of the page to be displayed when the user clicks on the link text. So that is href. Href is the attribute, it used to specify the url, the unique address. And the text between starting a tag and the closing a tag is the link text. Whatever you write between start a tag and close a tag, closing a tag, anchor tag, so that will appear as a link text. There are two main parts of the anchor tag. So anchor tag has two main parts: the link text where we click on, and the web address, that is the url where we go to after the clicking on the link. So by default, links appear as described below in all browser. So this is the by default value of hyperlink. When we insert hyperlink to our web page, it has by default value. An unvisited link is underlined in blue. So unvisited link which are not clicked yet, they are in unvisited state, and these links are by default underlined and blue color. A visited link is underlined in purple. So link which have been clicked are in visited state, and it will appear in purple color and underlined. An active link is underlined in red. So link which are clicked and are being fetched by the browser, so that is called active link, and these links are by default underlined and red. And we can change the colors of this link using the link, a link and v link attribute of the body tag. So for changing this color, by default value of this link's color, we can use link, a link and v link attribute of the body tag. So just look at the example. In body tag, we write link equal to green, v link equal to yellow, and a link is magenta. So here link attribute specify the colors of the unvisited link. So the link we used to specify the green color, that is for unvisited link, and we write v link attribute is used for visited link, and the a link attribute we used for active link. And here types of linking are given, that is internal linking and external linking. So two types of linking in HTML. Internal linking, when one part of web page is linked to another section on the same page. So when we click on internal link, or when we insert internal linking in our HTML internal link, so this will go to another section on the same page. And the external linking, when one page is linked to another web page on the same or another website, so it will the destination of this external link is either on another web page or another website. So these are two types of linking we have in HTML.